For the first program, we took a string inputted from the user and made it into a list, which then we found the longest substring without repeating characters from the string input from the console. As you can see, it didn't repeat any of the letters. For the second problem, we had to take a list of tuples and create a dictionary from it. Here's the display of the dictionary. For the third, we had to write a Python program to create a library management system. I can create an object of this class and then display all the information provided. For the fourth question, we had to get information off of a website. We took out the HTML code, and here's all the rest of the words that were printed on the website. For the fifth question, we were working with data sets. We were able to print the values for each of these. For the sixth question, we had to choose a data set and apply the k-means. For the seventh, we had to write a program that would take an input file and find the trigrams. We were having some issues with libraries, but this is our result. And for the eighth program, we had to create multiple regression and clean the data set. Here's the graph we get for that one, and their different values.